Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting.
What's up, my babies? It's your girl Malijah Serenity, and I am back with another video. And today's collaboration is going to be with a company called GolleeLash. I believe I'm pronouncing it right. Everything will be down below. Y'all will have like a coupon code that y'all can use with a certain % off and all that good stuff. So all of that will be down below. And this is the products that they sent me. My name was on top. My name was on top, y'all. It was so cute. I felt like so special when I received my packages. But these are the lashes that they sent. The first one was their style number 3, and then the second one was style 16. And this is just the adhesive. They sent 2 different adhesives, so I'm going to show y'all both of the adhesives that they sent me. My camera did not want to focus, y'all. I was getting so irritated. But yeah, these are the adhesives. I think this is more just like if you just want to put like on a lash strip or something. I'm not sure. I was just showing y'all that one. Oh, y'all, they sent me some tweezers. They were so freaking cute. They had their name on them, and they came in this cute little packaging, y'all. It was so freaking cute. I was so excited. So today I chose to go with style number 3, and they came with different lengths: 10, 12, 14, and 16, which y'all know I love. I told y'all about that in my last lash video. I love the different lengths. Y'all know I'm always acting crazy. But yeah, so I'm going to be going in with their sensitive eyelash adhesive, eyelash glue. And when I tell y'all, when it says sensitive, they mean that. Like, this glue did not burn my eyes, like the inside of my eyes, not one bit. The glue was a little hard to squeeze out of the bottle, so I decided to go in and cut the top part off. The bottle is very, very hard to squeeze, so y'all are going to have to squeeze the bottle hard to get the product out. And the product is like kind of like a water base, so just be very careful with it. But yeah, like I was saying, it did not burn my eyes at all. Y'all know the last glue I was using, how it would kind of get in my eye and burn. Even if I like kind of got this in my eye, it did not burn. And this glue, I'm not, because y'all know I give honest reviews. I don't lie. This is just me showing y'all kind of how I did it before, but y'all see some close-ups, because y'all know I always go off camera, do one eye, and then come back on. So y'all will see some close-ups in a minute. But yeah, like I was saying, this glue did not burn at all, and I absolutely loved, and it actually works. Y'all know I give honest reviews. I'm not gonna lie. This glue is just amazing. Okay, so I finished my first eye, and well, I'm almost done with it, and she's looking pretty good. I'm not sure what that was on top of my lash. I kept trying to get it off. She did not want to come off, so honey, she just had to stay on. But yeah, I pretty much finished my first eye. Y'all, please be very, very careful with this glue, because like I said, it's kind of like a water base, so it is subject to, I hope I used the right word, but to run. And it kind of got, like I told y'all, this glue, it really works. So I kind of got some on the bottom of my lash, and I had to sit there and peel that stuff off, and it hurt so bad. My eye was watering. But as you see, I'm going to take the lash cluster, and I'm going to kind of glide it through the glue so that it can stick to the eyelash. And I'm just literally going to place it up under my eye as y'all see me doing it. You want to place the cluster directly above the root of your eyelash. If it's helpful for you, you can kind of like pull your eyelid up how I'm doing, and place it up under. This eye is always so hard for me to do, so that's kind of like why I like showing this eye on camera, so y'all can see like the mistakes and stuff that I make. So as you see, I'm placing the cluster directly where my eyelash starts at. And that's basically what you want to do. It's honestly a really easy process. It probably took me like 35 minutes to do. It doesn't take long at all because they are clusters and not really like individuals. So my other eye, it took me no time to do because I can do that eye way better. This eye takes a little time, but it doesn't take long at all. It's super easy, super doable, even if you have never done it. I highly recommend that y'all go and purchase these products from Golee because first off, here where I'm at, to go and get individuals, they're like $200 freaking dollars. And not only that, they take like 2-3 hours to do. So not only are these super easy to do, they're super affordable, and you don't have to wait such a long time and lay on your butt and your freaking butt be hurting. So I highly recommend that y'all go and purchase these products. As I stated, a coupon code will be down below so that once y'all purchase, y'all can enter a code and get a certain percentage off. So make sure that y'all go down below, click the link, shop, get y'all some products and use my coupon code so that y'all could get a percentage off. So now I'm just going in and brushing out my lashes to make sure that they are all in place. And I'm also showing y'all how well that this glue works. Everything is literally already in place and dry. It's not really, you know how they say you have to wait a certain amount of time before you wet your lashes or whatever. I washed my face this morning and they are still intact. So please make sure that y'all go and purchase these products. I just went in and put a little mascara up under my eye because this is kind of the look that I wanted to do. So this is the end of the video. I'm going to show y'all a cute clip of the finished product. Make sure that y'all go shop GolleeLash. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all later. Love y'all.